Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to discuss how we can manage the tax information for Google AdSense account. As you know, the last date for filling the tax is on May 31st, 2021. So let us fill the tax by clicking on Manage Tax Info. When you click on tax info, it will get this add tax info information. When you click on add tax info, it will navigate you to log in from the account, which is your channel account. Then you have to, when you click on login, so when you click on login, it will navigate to the page stating the United States tax information. So which type of account would you normally prefer? Which type of account is this? So mine I have done with individual account. So let me click on individual. When you click on individual, click on next. So it will navigate to a screen stating are you a citizenship of United States? I'll say no. Click on next. So now it navigates to a section called select W8 tax form type. Based on your previously selected answer, W8 form is needed for us. So as you can see here, we have two forms clearly. So it is W8 BEN and W8 ECI form. So normally for Indians, what we have to choose is W8 BEN form, which is this is a form which is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would be able to use the claim tax benefit treaties. Now I will start WB BEN form and it will load the screen. So once it loads the screen, W8 BEN form tax is there. So name of the individual, we can give our name. So DBA doing the business treaty is not there. So country and region of citizenship. Now here we have to click on India as we are Indians. And taxpayer identification number. This one, if you search on Google online, this foreign TIN is nothing but in India we have PAN number, right? Permanent account number. That PAN number we have to write it down in foreign TIN. Next will be address. In this address, guys, you have to give that same address of what you have given in Google AdSense. So once you have filled that, click on next. So now, when you click on next, we'll come to the tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under the tax treaty? Here we have two options, no and yes. Here we have to click on yes as the resident of country region claiming treaty with the US. Now we have to click on yes, guys. When you click on yes, you have to click on the resident of country. Check this checkbox, click on checkbox. Select the country as India. Now, when you're done with this, in the next section we have special rates and conditions. You can see here we have three services such as AdSense, motion picture, TV royalties such as YouTube movies, and etc. Other copyright royalties. So, in the first sense, we have to click on the article 7 and paragraph 1 in the AdSense. Withholding rate we have to select as 0%, reduced treaty rate. We have to click on the terms and condition at the bottom. So once we click on this, we have to select a similar kind of article and paragraph. So article will be article 12, paragraph 2A3, and withholding rate will be 15% reduced treaty rate. You have to click on the checkbox in the bottom. Now let us move on to the other royalties. Click on checkbox. Now similar kind of article we have to select. We will select article 12 paragraph 2A2. Withholding rate will be 15%. And I'll click on as the tax resident of the country. Click on that. Now I'll click on next. Once I click on next, it will navigate me to the document preview. Once document preview page comes up, the document looks like this. So form W treaty, no treaty applied. W1 form, W8 BEN form. I'll have to click on I confirm that I have reviewed. Then I have to click on next. Now comes to certification under penalties, perjury, declare everything. So once you have entered the name, you have to select I should click on yes. I'm the person listed in the signature section and completing on my behalf. After clicking on yes, I'll click on next. So now once you have clicked on next, there are two activities. Has the individual or an entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within the US? We have to click on no, and we have to click on this checkbox. I certify that services provided to Google. Now the last section comes, are you providing tax for new or existing payments? Here we have two check radio buttons. I am providing the tax information for the new existing profile that hasn't received the payments, or I am providing the tax info for existing payments. The first one states that you haven't received any payment from Google AdSense. The second one states that we have already received. For this account, guys, they haven't received any payments. So I'm clicking on the first one. Now, if everything is done, I just have to click on submit. Once you select the second one, it will ask you for another checkbox. In the case which you have already got the payments, Google payments. If you have not got, you can select the first one as I have selected the radio button above. I'll click on submit. Once I submit it, I'll get this that I have got the claims. That's it for the video, guys. If you are a new viewer, please click on like and also please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.